Hi guys, this is Gold and I'm going to walk you through the daily bias, that is the top down analysis of gold. And today is Wednesday 25th of June 2025. So let's get to it. Now here we are on the monthly time frame, and what did we see? The monthly is doing, the monthly has been bullish, but here we have price sweeping liquidity above the month high. So we see price rejecting so far, even though the monthly is not bearish, but I want to see a little bit of bearish in the month before we either continue bullish or we continue the bearish move. So on the monthly, we see price sweeping this liquidity above the previous high, and we see price rejecting. So going to the daily time frame, we see we have a price range. Here is a liquidity that was grabbed on the monthly time frame, and that creates a price range. And this price range is from this low that price has swept this liquidity. We see a sweep of liquidity here, and price came into this breaker block here. We have a breaker block that price tap into, and we see price sweep liquidity below this low. So we have a price range from this low to this high. And if we put our price grading tool, we can see that price is yet to enter the 50% level for price to continue bullish. And today is this candle. So what am I expecting? I want to see price sweeping this liquidity below this low and price to enter into the 50% level. So we have a level here, which is a draw on liquidity on gold. This is a draw on liquidity because price has not yet entered into this level and sweep liquidity. However, we see a fair value gap here, and we see there was a buying level here because price rejected at this fair value gap, and this rejection level is the area of what? Of liquidity. This level is also drawing what? Price too, because traders that bought here, their stop loss will be at this level. So we see this will also be another level to draw. But now coming to this, we don't expect price to continue bearish and take out this low because we see a level of rejection. And if in that we see this rejection, we want to see price coming into a premium level. And how is it a premium level? We see if we put our price grading range from this high to this low, we see price need to come to what? Need to come to this gap for us to sell. So we either have price coming from this high to this low before coming here, or we will see price, buying a little bit to this level and then selling. And on the daily time frame is our structure time frame where we look at structure. And here on the daily we see price sweep this liquidity also. So we also have a range, and we see price creating this market structure shift. So what are we expecting? We're expecting price to come into this level and to have price to our what? Draw on liquidity. So going to the 1 hour time frame, we see that price has created a range here. And what are we expecting? If we put our price level grading tool, we see that we're yet to enter into the what? Fair value gap and 50% level. So here we can either see price selling at this level to this level, or we might see price selling at this level. Price selling at this level to take out this low. But however, before we sell at this level, we need to use our confirmatory entry model. I have a video for it in the channel. So we need to set that balance price range created on 5 minutes time frame, or we want to see price creating a unicorn model, or price creating another block on the 5 minutes time frame, which is lower than 1 hour for us to sell. So right now we see price going bullish so far. So before we do anything of sell, we want to see price creating a confirmatory entry at the level 1 hour level we have to mark. at this level. So far, I want to see a little of bullishness before price should go bearish on the dollar. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe for more content. Bye.